I love using wood cutting boards. I love how they look. I love how they feel. But if I don't take care of them properly, they won't last as long. They'll crack, they'll get grooves in them, which can then trap bacteria. And that's why I make this wood cream that will treat that and keep them in good condition for a much longer period of time. This wood cream only has 4 ingredients, so it's actually really simple to make. I just use a pint-sized jar, and then I add 1 cup of food-grade mineral oil, 2 ounces of beeswax. So the mineral oil is just really good for wood care, and the beeswax helps give it that little bit of extra protection, especially from the water. And then I'll add 5 drops of lavender oil. Again, I use the food grade. And the reason for this is that it's actually antibacterial. And then same story with the rosemary. I'll do 5 drops of rosemary, and it has antibacterial properties. And as long as it's food grade, you're fine. Then I'll take my jar and I'll place it in a boiling water bath. Now you could create your own, but essentially you just need a pot of water and then some kind of plate or wire rack to keep the jar from touching the bottom because you don't want it directly on the heat. If you did it on a low enough temperature, you'd probably be okay. Then I'll set my jar in the water, and I only want the water to go up to about where the top of that oil was. I don't want any of the water to get inside the jar. And I'll place this on the stove and I'll bring it to a nice simmer. Now that it's come to a simmer, I'll turn the heat down to low and let it continue to heat for 10 minutes. Now I'll remove the jar and I'll allow it to cool for 20 minutes on the counter before I stir it. So it's actually been about 25 minutes since this got done, but because I was distracted with some of my canning, it's had a chance to cool a little bit more. So what I'll do is I'll take my wood chopstick, which will also benefit from this, and I'll stir just to make sure that that wax and the oil don't separate. And I'll just continue to come back over the next half hour as it is cooling and stir with my chopstick just to make sure that it doesn't separate as it's cooling. So now you'll find that this is a nice creamy oil. It smells good, but not overwhelming, which is good because this is perfect for using for your kitchen items. The cutting boards, the wooden bowls, wooden spoons, and it preserves them for much longer and maintains this really nice, beautiful patina. Now I'll place a lid on this and then store it in a cool, dry, dark location, and it should be good for anywhere from 6 months to 1 year.